We have a face-off. Pawan Khera, spokesperson Congress, is with us. PKD Nambiar, political analyst, supports the BJP. Let me just go across to you, PKD Nambiar. You heard very blunt speaking there. This is from, this is not opposition. This is not, you say media. This is Anil Swarup, highly regarded former Secretary Coal, Government of India. And look at some of the things they're saying, that this has got to do with mismanagement. The fact that you let Coal India run without proper management, you diverted funds away from it. You allowed its managers to, I don't want to use the term, but basically digging, holes for Swachh Bharat.
So, Srinivasan, I would not comment on what the former Secretary Coal has said, because I'm sure that he would be having his own data to said whatever he said. One thing I must tell you, that the so-called crisis word which is being used from the last 2 days, maybe begin from the Delhi Chief Minister. I don't know whether these kind of the word crisis even exists with regard to the power problem. It is definitely, there may be a shortage. There may be a shortage which maybe exists right now, but that could be considered, that changing that from a shortage to a crisis, I think we may be overlooking it. If you really remember, during the COVID time, the Prime Minister has announced that there should be a power, should be switched off by everybody.
Mr. Nambiar, let us now not quibble over semantics. Is it a crisis? Is it a shortage? The fact is that all the data, this is data supplied by the government, is telling you that a bulk of power plants in this country have anywhere between 4 to 8 days of stock left. Some of them have hit zero. That's why the Prime Minister himself had to jump in. Is it not somewhere along the line of fact that this is not simply weather gods, excess rainfall and all that? There has been mismanagement.
May I make my statement, Srinivasan? I would say that there may be a shortage. That is the reason we elect a government. If there is a crisis, or even if it is a shortage, it's the job of the government to ensure that the citizens of this country gets uninterrupted power. So there is no question that if the government is not able to act, and if we all are under the dark, definitely we all have to criticize. If there is a shortage, let the government take that. And government today clearly and clarifying to all of us, saying that there is no problem, that we will not be having
government
any
keeps
issue
saying,
at all. I would
okay. Let's get Pawan Khera to respond. Okay, Pawan Khera, it's not a crisis.
Let me tell you that the crisis is, once again, I wanted to tell you there is no crisis as on today. I wanted to believe my government. If my minister is coming and saying there is no crisis, let me believe that.
Okay, let's move beyond whether there is crisis or not. Coming on the point.
I am just talking about only one thing, that this government's policy from the very beginning, if you really recall, that this government has taken a decision. We cannot be only remain to one source of energy, that is the thermal power. That cannot be the way we as a country should look forward. From just a 2.6 gigawatt capacity in 7 years ago, today we are generating the renewable energy of 42 gigawatt. I think the move and we are today the third largest country in the world when it comes to the renewable energy. I think the whole world needs to change, and so are we, and we are leading from the front with regard to the power, the source of power generation, from moving from just the thermal and the hydro to the renewable energy, which is solar and wind. You know that the kind of progress we have made. I think it's that there may be challenges. Globally, there are challenges. China is going through. Some of the African countries are under dark from the last couple of months. There is a challenge globally where people are facing. But fortunately, we must be very happy that today we are in a situation wherein we have ample coal reserve. We have a government which is in action.
No, 1 second, Mr. Nambiar, you have not answered.
Supply of coal.
No, 1 second, Mr. Nambiar, you didn't answer being made of cronyism.
No, it's very clearly that the gentleman has very clearly said only one thing, that it is only a shortage, it is not a crisis. One. Second, and because of the weather, whatever he said, if I go by him, it is because of the weather.
Now, why don't you understand? I think the shortage is the crisis.
Okay, come to the point. Come to the Mr. Nambiar.
Why are you calling me on a show if you don't even let me speak one sentence completely, and you just jump and if you wanted to prove that there is a crisis, this country is going to be blackout tomorrow, let's decide that, Srinivasan, let's you decide.
Mr. Nambiar, firstly, I didn't interject. That was Pawan Khera's interjection. Secondly, you're not answering the question on the fact that private players.
Srinivasan, but before that you will say something else. What will I do? I also have got some kind of a document. I have been associated with the power sector for several years, have some kind of a knowledge, but you are just decided that there is.
Okay, sir, answer the question. I have to move on.
And we are going to have
okay, sir, answer. Yes.
No, only what all I am saying is that India as a country, it's a business. The supply versus, if you are getting a cheaper coal from abroad, why would you use a coal which is our national reserve? No country will use it, whether it is a petroleum product, any of the natural reserve.
Mr.
Every country wanted to keep it safe. And today we have the national reserves. We will be able to use it the way we want it.
Mr. Nambiar, one has given you...
during the COVID time too, there was armchair experts who were coming and saying that there will be...
Yes, 10 seconds.
During the COVID time, if you recall, there was multiple discussion on an armchair experts who were coming and saying all our grids are going to be failed.
No one died.
Nothing happened.
No, Mr. Nambiar, we cannot get into COVID now. This is on coal. How can you go from coal to COVID?
Experts do not have any base.
All that, okay. We have to, I'm sorry, we'll have to wrap. We'll have to wrap. We're out of time. But thank you both so much for joining me. And thank you all so much for watching.